Hey there, this is Louis and I'm the CEO here at Pollux BPO. Today, I'm going to tell you about our legal call center services and why we are the best choice for law firms to retain their clients. The Pollux BPO philosophy pillars are productivity, accuracy, and empathy. Because we know what matters most to you, our trained and experienced representatives will take the hustle of the intake process and get only the details you need. We call it the Pollux BPO Law Funnel. Some of our law contact center services are the following. Contact center services, inbound and outbound calling, new intake, text and web response, contract services, lead follow-up, language services, telephony and IVR setup, customer relationship management tools setup, and more. For free consultation and to start your partnership with Pollux BPO today, visit our website www.polluxbpo.com.